What do you have to do? Turn that off or something?
Yeah, I just want to show you. See if it'll go out. So I can show you. So it'll be on. This
Yeah.
be like this, on.
Okay.
You want to turn it to pilot if it ever goes out again.
Okay, turn it to pilot. Yep.
Just hold this down.
Hold it down up the top. Okay, and then.
And it'll light by itself.
Oh. Okay, that's good.
And you hold this down for about 15 seconds or so. Then once you light it up, if that flame doesn't stay on, you just light it again.
Is it on now still? It's not quite as it
You just turn it on.
Oh, wow. All right. Did you have to turn the power off or anything like that?
Nope.
Okay.
Just the gas fell up here.
All right. So it should be okay now, huh?
Yeah.
Why do you think it went out?
Sometimes the thermocouple goes bad. I'm going to change the name, which in case it happens again.
Okay. All right. Very good. And you did not need a screwdriver to take off those panels, right?
Just these two screws. You need a Phillips head screwdriver.
Oh, all right. Okay. That's good.
This is what keeps it going. If this goes, it won't stay lit.
Yeah. Yeah, I was reading up on it, and it said sometimes it's a faulty coupler.
Yeah, thermocouple, yeah. Yeah, they go out. They get bad.
Okay. Okay, well, I'll let you do that. Thank you.
You're welcome.
See you upstairs.